Magdalene, all tied up in their white ribbon. November came, and before I got your letter, I will love you better, I will love you true. Every day I would wait by the gates for you, but with time how your heart withdrew. You said I'd never understand the pain or share the shame, but you know that I wanted to. But you gave me hope, and now you take it away. You took my love, and now you celebrate. When the morning comes, no, I don't believe. Oh my God, how could you take her from me? So I told, and the Sisters of Mercy came by your school just yesterday. I never meant for to cause you any pain. I wanna make it better, make it go away. So sing a song for the daughters of Magdalene, all small beneath the white linen. If Mary knew how she was being used, so misconstrued how you were being used. But you gave me hope, and now you take it away. You took my love, and now you celebrate. When the morning comes, no, I don't believe. Oh my God, how could you take it from me? You gave me hope, and now you take it away. You took my love, and now you celebrate. When the morning comes, no, I don't believe. Oh my God, how could you take it from me?
You cannot spaces, knowing now that I'm not alone, and you are around, and I have 49 places all lined up while I'm stumbling round with a spilling cup, singing, facing another way. That I am knowing that the love can't stay in the out. Down by the water, singing our songs, my darling, the loving songs going down. Cuffed up in my ways, and I know you, but I know myself like I know you too. And I see a lot of faces just like ours, and they're going fast, and they're speeding cars rolling, facing another way. That I am knowing that the love can't stay in the out. Down by the water, singing our songs, my darling, the loving songs going down. Oh, there it goes. Oh, fast. down by the water, singing our songs, my darling. The loving song's coming. Take my hand, I don't need any fear. All I need is this love and to have you here tonight. Down by the water, empty and calm, my darling. The loving song's coming up. Was a long Monday, Tuesday gone. Wrote it down in a song. Paradise lost but paradise found. It all comes back around. You'll go on, 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 on. Just like the river, you'll go on. And you'll go on, on, on. Just like the river, you'll go on.
Liberated eyes and a Buddha smile. All that class, all the style. Now you're on a highway, windows rolled down. No wind, just where you're bound. And you'll go on, 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 on. Just like the river, you'll go on. And you'll go on, 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 on. Just like the river, you'll go on. Another reason, going back, like a cloud in the sky, and like the world you went around, knowing life goes up and down and goes on. It goes on, on, on. Just like the river, it goes on. And it goes on, on, on. Just like the river, it goes on. You'll go on, 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 on. Just like the river, you'll go on. You'll go on, on, on. Just like the river, you'll go on.
Spent my days in the Cold War, fighting with myself. Spent my time like money, counted up my wealth. Saved up all my moments for situations coming, but don't know much about nothing, barely know myself. Know the bank that's my head, it's filled up to the brim. It's bursting at the seams with thoughts, ideas and dreams. And my thinking advisor loses focus easily, leaves me with a balance due. At least that's how it seems. How to there's no man who will tell me how to be, and I hardly have a theory, just hypotheses. And since I don't have no gods to help me what I see, then that leaves me here with myself. Work is up to me.